Today we're going to be making a gardening Cookie Mama game, which is what we're going to be playing. And this is the one that I have not played before, which is what I'll be playing today. You gotta be careful, because the wind, the wind could blow the seeds away. You gotta wait, or the wind will blow it. Alright, not bad.
Great, keep it up.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Okay, 80 grand. So I'm guessing it's like this. And you got a bit more. Okay. Alright, so that's 60, got it. And then oh, I messed up. That's alright.
Don't
Okay.
worry, Mama will take care of this.
That doesn't sound good. Alright. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh, alright. Huh? How do you... I also messed up on this one. Alright.
Don't worry, Mama
Okay.
will take care of this.
I did not do well on that one. That's okay. Alright, we'll try another one. Alright. How do you... Okay. Oh. How do you... I need to pay attention.
Don't worry,
Alright.
Mama will take care of this.
But I'm having fun with the game. Let's see. Okay. So I need to pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, and a little bit more water. And a little bit more water. A little more water. A little bit more water. A little bit more water. Alright. A little more. No, just the whole water. Just the whole water. Just the whole water. There we go. It's alright. Come on. It needs nutrition, guys. Alright. Oh, wait. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Not bad.
Even better than Mama.
Hey, that's good to hear, Appreciate it. Okay. Alright, so this one. Okay, so, okay. Alright, so that blows the seeds away. Oh, wait, okay. Alright. I gotta wait for the wind to go. Okay. Oh, no. Alright, that's okay. 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 Alright, just pour the whole thing in. Alright. That's okay. Ah. Alright. That's okay, that's okay. Just keep trying. That's okay, just try another. Alright.
Don't worry, Mama will take care of this.
Alright, it's okay, it's alright. It's alright, hey, it's okay.
Results.
Oh. Maybe next time, that's okay. Just keep trying, guys. Alright, well, that'll be it for today.